Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to prepare a quiet book page that is not required binding using your loop fabric. I showed you how to prepare pages using the cotton fabric in my previous video, and today I'll show you how to prepare such a page using your loop fabric. And actually the procedure is almost the same except of some moments. So let's get started. Cut out the fusible canvas or interfacing what I'm going to use. The size of the fusible canvas is 20 by 20 centimeters, and I need to cut the fusible web same size or just a little bit smaller. Again, several layers of the fusible web. To make one page, you will need square of fusible interfacing or fusible canvas, one square of fusible web or double-sided fusible interfacing, and you will need a little bit more fusible web. And to make a perfect square out of loop fabric, you will need fusible web backing with the paper, or if you don't have one, fusible web and backing paper or freezer paper. This one is backing paper of adhesive book cover. First step, iron your loop fabric. Leave for 2 minutes and then iron it. Right side down. Place the fusible web on the wrong side of the loop fabric. Place the fusible canvas, fusible side down. To cut out the page, I'm going to use pinking shears. Don't forget to cut of the selvage edge. Again, start from left upper corner. Take the fusible web, this, and I will need fusible web backing with paper. 4 pieces. And place the piece of the fusible web here on the corner. Peel off the paper and make a fold. Only because the fusible web is hot, it's just like a glue. It will be easier to fold here and to make the angle. And continue with the fusible. Don't forget, there is 1 millimeter between the edge of the interfacing and this fold. Hide interfacing. Excellent. Roll the loop fabric over the fusible interfacing. See? If you don't have fusible web backed with the paper, so you may use double-sided fusible interfacing and freezer paper or backing paper of the vinyl or maybe clear book cover. I'm going to use only the paper. Use a small piece of the fusible web. Place here on corner. Cover with the paper. The web is melting. So this is the page. See? When you gather two pages, those folds will make a lock. The pages will not move during the sewing, and just look how neat the corner looks. So this is it. I showed you how to make the page using the fabric in my previous video. In this video I showed you how to use loop fabric to make the page, to prepare the page, and don't miss my next videos because I'm going to show you some new tutorials on how to make pages without the binding, so don't miss. Thank you for watching and bye bye.